In this video, I like to show you how you can change your call pop-up interface in your any Samsung device. I'm Shadat from SHADAT'S, so let's start the video. You can get beautiful pop-up interface in your any Samsung device. Make sure your phone running Android 10 with One UI 2. So how you can get this beautiful feature in your any Samsung device? So at first go to your phone app, then up on the top right there, three dot, click there, then click on select, then select call display wheel using app. You can get three options: full screen, pop-up, mini pop-up. You have to select mini pop-up. Now you can watching any movie and playing any game. You can get this mini pop-up animation with call. Okay, today video about that. I hope you guys like this video and enjoy this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you next time in another video. I'm Shadat from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.